Here are 15 tips on how to become more attractive. Drinking plenty of water. Drinking plenty of water is essential for maintaining optimal hydration levels in your body, including your skin. When you're properly hydrated, your skin can appear more plump, smooth, and radiant. This is because water helps your skin cells maintain their elasticity and helps to flush out toxins that can contribute to dullness and inflammation. Additionally, drinking water can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles by improving your skin's elasticity. By staying hydrated, you can enhance your natural beauty and achieve a healthy, glowing complexion. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise can make you more attractive by improving your physical fitness, muscle tone, and overall health. Here are some exercises that can help improve your attractiveness. Cardiovascular exercise. Running, cycling, swimming, and other forms of cardio can improve your endurance, cardiovascular health, and help burn fat. Resistance training. Weightlifting or bodyweight exercises can help increase muscle mass and tone, giving you a more defined and attractive physique. Yoga and Pilates. These exercises focus on building core strength and flexibility, improving posture, and reducing stress. High-intensity interval training, HIIT. HIIT involves short bursts of intense activity followed by rest periods and can be an effective way to burn fat and increase muscle tone. Develop good posture. Good posture can make you appear more attractive by creating a taller, more confident, and more youthful appearance. When you stand up straight with your shoulders back, your chest out, and your head held high, it creates a more balanced and symmetrical body alignment. Good posture can also help improve your breathing and digestion, reduce back and neck pain, and enhance your overall sense of well-being. By practicing good posture regularly, you can improve your physical appearance, boost your self-confidence, and exude an air of grace and poise. Eat a healthy diet. Eating a healthy diet can make you more attractive by improving your overall health, promoting healthy skin, and helping you maintain a healthy weight. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains provides essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that nourish your body and promote healthy bodily functions. Additionally, eating a healthy diet can help reduce inflammation, prevent chronic diseases, and enhance your mood and mental clarity. By nourishing your body from the inside out, you can achieve a glowing complexion, a fit and toned physique, and an overall sense of vitality and well-being that radiates from within. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep can make you more attractive by enhancing your natural beauty, improving your mood, and promoting healthy bodily functions. During sleep, your body undergoes a restorative process that helps repair and regenerate cells, including those in your skin. This can lead to a more youthful and refreshed appearance, with fewer fine lines, wrinkles, and dark circles under your eyes. Additionally, getting enough sleep can help regulate your mood, reduce stress and anxiety, and promote mental clarity and focus. Sleep also plays a crucial role in regulating your appetite, metabolism, and immune function, which can all contribute to a healthier, more attractive you. By prioritizing your sleep needs and getting enough rest each night, you can enhance your natural beauty and feel your best both inside and out. Manage stress. Managing stress can make you more attractive by reducing the negative physical and emotional effects of chronic stress, promoting a sense of calm and contentment, and projecting a positive and confident energy to others. Stress can lead to weight gain, insomnia, anxiety, and depression, all of which can negatively impact your physical appearance and emotional well-being. By engaging in stress-reducing activities like mindfulness, exercise, and self-care, you can reduce these negative effects and enhance your natural beauty. Additionally, when you feel less stressed, you're more likely to project a calm, confident, and positive energy that can make you more attractive to others. By prioritizing your mental and emotional health, you can cultivate a sense of inner peace and radiate beauty and positivity from the inside out. Practice good grooming. Practicing good grooming can make you more attractive by enhancing your physical appearance and projecting an air of cleanliness and self-care. This includes basic hygiene habits like washing your face and hands, brushing your teeth, and maintaining clean hair and nails. It also involves paying attention to small details like keeping your clothing clean and well-fitted, grooming your eyebrows and facial hair, and wearing minimal, natural-looking makeup. When you take the time to care for your physical appearance, you can look and feel your best, projecting confidence and self-assuredness to those around you. By practicing good grooming habits regularly, you can enhance your natural beauty, feel more attractive and confident, and leave a lasting impression on others. Develop good social skills. Developing good social skills can make you more attractive by helping you build strong relationships, communicate effectively, and project confidence and charisma to others. This includes developing active listening skills, being able to engage in conversation with others, and showing genuine interest and empathy towards those around you. Good social skills also involve being able to read social cues, respect boundaries, and show appropriate behavior in different situations. By developing good social skills, you can build meaningful connections with others, create positive first impressions, and leave a lasting impact on those you meet. This can enhance your overall attractiveness and make you a more engaging and likable person to be around. Take care of your skin. Taking care of your skin involves adopting a regular skincare routine that includes cleansing, exfoliating, and moisturizing your skin to maintain a healthy, glowing complexion. It also involves protecting your skin from the sun's harmful UV rays and avoiding exposure to environmental pollutants that can damage your skin. Additionally, eating a healthy diet, drinking plenty of water, and getting enough sleep can help improve the health and appearance of your skin. By taking care of your skin, you can enhance your natural beauty, feel more confident and comfortable in your own skin, and project an air of radiance and vitality to those around you.
Smile make you more attractive. Smiling can make you more attractive by projecting a positive, friendly demeanor and creating a warm, approachable vibe. Smiling is contagious and can help put others at ease, making them more likely to feel comfortable around you and engage in conversation. Develop good body language. Developing good body language can make you more attractive by conveying confidence, positivity, and approachability. Maintaining eye contact during conversation, and smiling frequently. In addition, using open, expansive gestures and maintaining a relaxed, comfortable posture can make you appear more confident and self-assured. Good body language can also involve active listening, such as nodding and leaning in during conversation to show engagement and interest. Ultimately, developing good body language is about creating a positive, confident impression that makes others feel comfortable and drawn to you. Develop a confident walk. Developing a confident walk can make you more attractive by conveying self-assurance and a strong sense of presence. To walk with confidence, it's important to stand up straight with your shoulders back and your head held high. Take long, purposeful steps and walk with a smooth, fluid motion. As you walk, try to maintain a relaxed, comfortable posture and avoid slouching or hunching over. Practice gratitude. Practicing gratitude can make you more attractive by creating a positive and appreciative outlook on life. When you practice gratitude, you cultivate feelings of happiness, contentment, and inner peace, which can be very attractive qualities to others. When you take the time to acknowledge and appreciate the positive things in your life, it can help you maintain a positive and optimistic attitude that can be very appealing to those around you. Be authentic. Being authentic can make you more attractive by allowing you to show your true self to others. When you are authentic, you are able to express your thoughts, feelings, and values in an honest and transparent way, which can help you build deeper connections with others. Authenticity also involves being comfortable with who you are and embracing your unique qualities, which can be very attractive to others who value confidence and self-assurance. Ultimately, being authentic allows you to show your true colors and connect with others in a more meaningful and genuine way.
Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and click the bell icon to get new video updates.